Dogecoin should be Cardano sidekick. Charles Hoskinson says this. This is interesting why he would say this. It's a lot of moving and shifting in crypto. Let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me highlight this information right now. Input Output CEO Charles Hoskinson says Twitter should integrate Dogecoin as a Cardano sidekick in a recent tweet. So now everybody wants to get a piece of Twitter all of a sudden now. Now Hoskinson claims that he's willing to do the migration for free, adding that he will be able to add smart contracts? Let me say that again. He will be able to add smart contracts. All right. Now, the Cardano founder believes that there is a real possibility that the third, well, I will say the largest meme coin will somehow merge with the platform. As reported by the U today, Tesla CEO Elon Musk took over control of Twitter on October 27th after buying the social media platform for $44 billion. Now, the price of Dogecoin saw a significant rally earlier in the week or this week after it became known that Musk will be in charge of the social media platform by the end of the week. However, the K9 token is up only by a modest 2.2% over the past 24 hours. Musk has repeatedly hinted that the meme cryptocurrency, which he has repeatedly promoted, would be part of Twitter if he were to take over. So that's why Charles Hoskinson wants to be involved in this. Okay. However, he has yet to outline any concrete plans for the Doge cryptocurrency. So, is this a good idea? Hey, Charles Hoskinson talked about this. This is why I kind of paused for a minute when he says he claims that he's willing to do a migration for free, adding that he will be able to add smart contracts. This could be something to take a look at, but we'll see and wait and see what happens if Dogecoin will be or should be or is going to be Cardano sidekick. We'll wait and see what happens. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.